Hello, my name is Lori Strawhecker, and I'm an online chemistry tutor. I am taking a challenge like what I've seen other of my colleagues do, and that is the 30-day video series. I guess each day I'm going to spend hopefully less than 5 minutes just becoming more comfortable with telling you about myself and learning the skill of talking in front of the camera. Um, so that's probably the long-term goal, but in the process, I'm going to be talking about things that I've learned a little over time. So let me start with my own story and how I got into tutoring. So basically, I was working at a lab and was laid off. And this was after 2000 and it was after 9/11. So I think that was 2001, possibly. It was later than that. 9/11, I think, happened in 2001. In any case, it was a couple years after that. I started uh, helping my husband um, on a van traveling in the city and picking up children and taking them to church through our local church. And I ran into a variety of interesting young people and felt a calling, I guess you could say, to become involved in the school system. So I started, pursuing substitute teaching in 2003. And after I did the substituting, I started taking myself around to some of the schools and offering my tutoring service. So 2004, I began tutoring at a local school that was a city school, and it was a homebound tutoring position. And I would get students, and it was such a good fit and such a fun time. I tutored everything from K to 12. But the reason that I went to the school was because I knew that I had math skills and I had chemistry skills, and I just wanted to get out there in it. And then I found out about, you know, sites, online sites, Wyzant and other sites like that that were looking for tutors. And so I did some of that, and I worked for a community college doing tutoring specifically for chemistry. So it's been a fun journey. Over time, I've taken other substitute jobs, and I've tried a variety of things. My husband and I moved from one state to another, so I was very much involved in the move, and I also helped my husband during some difficult times when there was loss of family and caretaking things going on. So uh, during those difficult times, I started raising some butterfly things. Uh, Family members had introduced me to that, and it was such a great opportunity to be outside in the sun, um, because you could say those were darker days when you're in a new community, when you, you have to travel to take care of family related things. And, you know, there's just a lot of pressure going on for us. And just being outside in nature and taking walks and being with flowers and raising butterflies was so therapeutic. And I also began some writing things. So now I still raise butterflies, but I've transitioned back into tutoring, and I love to tutor. I just never really let that thing go, but it's a way that I know that I can give value to people who are struggling. So so that is my story, and I still have about 20 seconds left, but I suppose a video that's less than 5 minutes is probably a good thing. So, well, thanks for listening, and I'm going to sign off.